the right way to assess the amenity that is best for you is to come up with your ideal guest avatar and figure out who your property is best suited to and what they appreciate most and what is likely to get you the highest ROI based on that research. That's why I came up with an app called the Guest Intel, which will in seconds give you the ideal guest avatar and a bunch of really useful data on your guests, including the amenities that appreciate and the highest ROI opportunities for you in the amenities. I'm just going to walk you through how to use it, and it's absolutely free. I found this listing randomly, and I'm just going to go here, copy the listing URL. Now I'm going to go into the Guest Intel app and paste in the URL from the listing that we just selected, and you see it's working its magic here. So here's the report. It gives you the full details of the avatar: Jason Miller, 39 years old, married, income, occupation, values, tech adoption, which is useful if you want to know what kind of device they use, which might be helpful for how you market and what kinds of things you put inside the house. Smart tech, how often he travels, what the size of the party is that he travels with, purpose of the trip, preferred amenities, hot tub, poker table, sauna, gym and fitness equipment, game room, mountain view, common pain point. It goes through and gives you a lot of detail here. Non-negotiables, hot tub, space for a large group, entertainment, on amenity additions, arcade, cabinet, and an estimate of what area priest would look, and slow cooker and instant pot. These are two additions that weren't detected and they're now recommended. There, apart from that, with amenities, you can get into like strategic recommendations with marketing, experience optimization, amenity additions, Bluetooth speakers in the gym, extra towels for sauna. So the friction points here that create the amenities, the demand for the amenities here. This is giving you so much detail, and even upcoming and what drives occupancy, the competitive land, everything. Here's the marketing message: your private mountain resort, spa, casino, gym, one view-filled home. Features and channel strategy. Here, it's really detailed, and it'll help you to the amenities that you should offer. So you can figure out here what touch points you need to show up. Dreaming, of course, that's where you have your social media presence and they can see, and the emotional triggers that you need to use. Instagram photos of friends in hot tubs, amazing Airbnb views. So researching when you want to put when that helps them to find you in their research stage. What should you be doing? What blog post should you be creating? What questions are asking? And what are the comments that you need to ask them that you can help them out? And then when they get to the booking stage, which is when they're like ready to book, what are the things that are going to trigger them to book? These are some of the things that you need to be mindful of. The pre-arrival stage. So when you're doing a communication with them, make sure the code for the door, instructions for the sauna, the grocery store, locations, of the view would help to tease them and make them anticipate the stay even more. About arrival and stay, what you should be doing during the arrival, simple instructions about the departure, and then post-stay. Ask for reviews, get them to share their stories and tag you or add a hashtag, your branded hashtag, so that you can find their posted just URL, Airbnb URL in this app for free. And you can export the PDF. You can also share it. I'm David Scott, the founder of STR Booster and Guest Intel Booster. Follow and like. If you have any questions, please contact with us. Be happy to answer.